Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Science for Everyone. Today the video is related to virology, and we have started a video lecture that is basically related to the pathogenesis of the viruses. In the previous video, I have discussed about the virus that infect a cell. I have discussed the condition that what basically virus do to a normal cell. Okay, so it was related to an infected cell. Today the video is related to infected person. Okay, infected individual. So in today's video, I will discuss the transmission of virus. Okay, we all know that the infection starts with the transmission. Okay, when there is a virus it infect a normal person, so how it enters that healthy individual. So I will discuss that how it enters. I will discuss the routes that which viruses enters through which type of routes. Okay, there are viruses that can enter oral routes, through nasopharynx, through fecal routes, and through blood, and transplacental routes at the time of birth because of the milk that is provided by the mother to her child. Okay, so I will discuss it. I will show you different tables, and I will also discuss that what are the animal reservoir that are involved in the transmission of virus. Okay, so let's see the tables. Okay.
Okay, so as I have told you, these are the tables that show you the transmission of the virus, the main portal of entry of important viral pathogen. As I have told you that virus can enter through respiratory tract, through gastrointestinal tract, and through blood. They can also transform to person with the help of blood. Okay, so if we look to the respiratory tract, so with the help of the aerosols, it can be transmitted. For example, if a person is having influenza virus or he is infected with an influenza virus, so he can transmit this virus with the help of his aerosols. Okay, when he coughs or sneezes, and the person near to him can get that virus. There is rhinovirus that cause common cold, respiratory syncytial virus that cause bronchiolitis, and Epstein-Barr virus, it causes infectious mononucleosis. It is also known as kissing virus. Okay, Varicella zoster virus, herpes simplex virus. So these are the viruses, and this is the disease. And the portal of entry is through the respiratory tract. And mostly these viruses can get entry into the healthy person with the help of the aerosols that are released by the infected person. Okay. The second is the gastrointestinal tract. Mostly this is through the fecal oral route. Okay, mostly it can a normal person can get this virus through food, or through when he get in contact with a infected feces. Okay, so hepatitis A virus, it causes hepatitis A infection, and poliovirus, rotavirus, and norovirus. These are the viruses that cause specific diseases, and it can infect a person, a healthy person, with the help of fecal oral route. Okay, so this is second type of transmission. The third is through skin. Okay, skin include rabies virus, yellow fever virus, dengue virus, and human papilloma virus. As I can tell you that rabies virus, it is present mostly in the saliva of the infected animal. So when that rabbit animal bites you, so you can get the disease, you can get the virus, and for example, that animal bites you on the arm or on the leg. So after that, through the saliva can enter your skin through that bite, and after that, that virus can travel through your body and can reach the brain and cause encephalitis. Okay, so this is the third case of transmission. The fourth is through genital tract. Okay, these are the viruses: human papilloma virus, hepatitis B, human immunodeficiency virus, and herpes simplex virus 2. So basically, genital tract means these are basically sexually transmitted viruses. Okay, if one partner is infected, so he or she can easily pass that virus to their sexual partner. Okay, so this is also the case through genital tract. It is also transmission type of transmission. The fourth is through blood. Okay, through blood transfusion. It includes hepatitis B, C, D, and human T cell lymphotrophic virus, and HIV and cytomegalovirus. Okay, so these are basically through blood transfusion. If a person is an infected person, his or her blood gets in contact with the healthy person, so he can get, or she can get the disease. Okay, the other is the transplacental route. Okay, transplacental route means, for example, a fetus is present inside a mother, and there is a special type of layer through which the food and the blood can pass. Okay, mostly the food. So what happens that, for example, that mother is infected, so those viruses can get entry to the fetus by passing the transplacental route, by passing that placental layer. Okay, so it includes cytomegalovirus, rubella virus, and parvovirus B19. Okay, so this is also a case of transmission. Other transmission include transplacental, as I have told you, cytomegalo, parvovirus, rubella virus, and Zika virus. Now, at the time of birth, the baby can get infected, and it is due to his or her mother. Okay, for example, at the time of birth there is also water breakage, and mostly in severe cases, the blood of the mother uh, can come in contact with the baby. Okay, so if she is infected with hepatitis B, C, or these other three type of viruses, so with the contact of that blood, the virus can be transmitted to the baby. Okay, and the last one is the breastfeeding. Okay, so and we all know that cytomegalovirus and human T cell lymphotrophic virus, they are present in the milk of the mother. Okay, so for example, if a mother is infected by these viruses, so her milk contain these viruses, and when that milk is feed it to her baby, so that virus can easily be transmitted. Okay, so these were the type of transmission. Now, as I have told you that zoonotic infection are also there. Viruses can be transmitted through the persons with the help of the through animals. Okay, so these are the viruses. The second is the animal reservoir who contains the viruses. Okay, so it can be transmitted through the humans. Okay, so rabies virus, animal reservoir is skunks, raccoons, and dogs, bats. So when they bite a normal person, or also aerosol of the bat saliva, when it come in contact with the humans, so they can develop rabies. Okay, if you look here to the dengue virus. Okay, so mostly the animal reservoir is monkeys, and after that Aedes mosquito. Aedes mosquito suck the blood of the monkeys, and after that they inject that infected blood into the humans, and the human develop dengue. Okay, if we look here to the avian influenza virus, the last one, so mostly the reservoir is chicken and other fowls, and after that aerosol and droplets, and mostly the feces of the animals, when they come in contact with the humans, so the human can get influenza. Okay, other examples are also there. You can take a screenshot from it, and you can then study it individually.
Okay, so this was all about the different routes that were used by the viruses to enter a normal healthy person, and also the animal reservoir were discussed. Okay, if you have any questions, so you can ask me in the comment box. I will answer you there. Thank you for your attention. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you.